embassy. They're not happy at all with the scandalous treatment the Zimbabweans are.
How you good people, come back by YouTube channel Pazimbo News. Pana parupe ma news updates zvinozviitika all around Zimbabwe and other parts of the world. So isi tunoti kana uri munyowanja utangosvika pana panhasi chatongokumbira kusubscribe pachannel pedu nekulike ma videos and commenting. Kuna vari kusupporta page yedu through kusubscribe mwari ngakuite zvakanaka. So ndine video ndaurakidza panapa video ari ma citizens ari kugara iko ku UK asvika pa Zimbabwean embassy iri ku UK vakasvika vakamacha ipapo vakapinda mukati membasi vakaturunura picture raMnangagwa kubva kumadziro. Vanhu vakatsamwa for what is happening back home. Nyaya yema-abduction ari kuitwa, ma-opposition members ari kurohwa, amwe acho ari kuraiwa for nothing, ma-elections that were not free and fair. So vanhu vakatsamwa vari kurakidzira vari kwavari ikoko. And a lot of people went on to advise everyone ari kugarawo kunana South Africa kunana to do the same.
Into the embassy. They're going into the embassy. They're not happy at all with the scandalous treatment the Zimbabweans are causing there in Zimbabwe. There's atrocities that are happening this minute. When you go in, close the door behind you. They're inside, yeah, close the door. They've taken down Mnangagwa's. Yeah, I think they've taken down the portrait. Obviously, being British, I'm not allowed in there, but the Zimbabweans have taken over their own embassy, and quite rightly so. So yeah, the portrait of the illegal president's been removed, and I believe they're going to put up free all our activists, enough is enough. Actually, it's difficult to see. Oh yes, they've removed his Mr. Mnangagwa, the illegal president who's in power, held in power by an army for the military dictatorship. Oh, that's much better. Oh, here we are in full view. This is, yeah, and the police will be here shortly now.